Right, the Jensen Huang World Tour continues. This week, our leather-jacketed AI guru had Marc Benioff opening for him during Dreamforce 2024. Oh yeah, and they announced that Salesforce is going to be the latest company that cozies up to the AI giant. What are the outcomes of this massive amount of hardware that's being sold? Well, that would be autonomous agents and interactive avatars. The move is part of the larger AgentForce announcement that was made last week that has Salesforce gearing up to take on Microsoft. And of course, anytime a company like NVIDIA manages to sell massive amounts of hardware to yet another massive technology company out there, John, I have to ask, what's the big deal about Salesforce adopting NVIDIA AI hardware?
I don't know if it's really a big deal. I know it's a big deal for Salesforce. For NVIDIA, it's just another Jensen on stage talking to fill in the blank, Adobe, ServiceNow, whomever. He is everywhere at once. So he was there Tuesday night talking to Benioff in what was kind of a strange psychiatric evaluation of where Salesforce is as an AI company. And basically, here's the partnership is, as you said, to develop these AI features for large customers, autonomous agents, interactive avatar experiences. They want to optimize predictive and generative AI workflows, particularly for three different things: for crisis management in the event of a product recall or service outage, real-time weather impacts for travel and logistics for the supply chain, and then real-time customer service resolution so you're not saying representative 5 times. Um, I think for Salesforce, this is significantly more of an upside. They basically want to redefine their enterprise business, and they are going to deploy over the next few years billions of these agent force agents, these autonomous agents. Um, they anticipate advances in your user experiences, and in a sense, they see an opportunity. And for NVIDIA, of course, they glob on to the second largest enterprise software company in the world after Microsoft. And it's interesting, though, Tom, during their conversation, they almost talked about these agents as new employees at companies doing the grunt work that the employees at most companies don't want to do. So, in a sense, Jensen said, when you create a new agent, it's going to be a lot more about welcoming a new team member or onboarding employees. In a sense, he's saying that so much work's going to get done that when you arrive to work, your to-do list will be shaved significantly. And Benioff, of course, is eating into this. He's hoping that Jensen's right. We'll see. Uh, as everyone knows, Salesforce has taken a lumping and a kind of a beating in the sales in the stock market over the last several months because it's perceived to be behind. I'm not necessarily buying to that fully, but I think they do have a perception problem. And I think with NVIDIA, this boosts their credibility, especially on Wall Street, where expectations are bizarre to begin with.